guys, it's Kay here. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kay Whitaker and I am documenting our entire process of building our new construction home. So if you're into that kind of thing where you want to learn what it takes in order to build a new construction home and just watch the progress as somebody else does it, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's myself, husband, he running the camera. Say hello, Timothy. He back there busy taking pictures. And then we have 4 kids, and you can find out more about us over on our Instagram. Today, we are giving you an update because as you can see, there is some lumber here at the Whitaker property. So we're going to give you a quick tour, then we're going to get out of here. Let's hop in. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are at the front of the house, and that's where we're going to start today. They started putting up the framing to our home last Wednesday, and so far this is the progress that we have. So a lot of the first floor is framed. It looks like they need to cut down some trees in the back of the house, but I'll show you that when we get there in order for them to continue. But who knows? I don't know how they build houses, but if you want the details of this actual house, please feel free to look down in the description. Most of the time when I mention things, there are links down in the description kind of explaining further. So let's get started with the tour. So I think I'm gonna go to what is considered inside and walk you around because it's hard to tell from back here. So let's find a step-up place in said garage. So where we are right now is in the garage of the home. So we have what's called a 4-car tandem, and that don't mean you got 4 doors. It just really means that you've got 3 doors and 2 doors there. They haven't put them up yet, but space for 4 cars. So this is car bay number 1. There's some extra space back here, which qualifies it as the 4th car garage because this space is technically supposed to be able to hold a full-size car. Bay number 2 and bay number 3. So in the garages, if we were to come in through the garages, there's going to be a door. You'll see these 8-foot doors. These are 8-foot doors. They are so tall, like I can't reach it. But there's a door that comes in, and when you come in, there's mudroom, and then that part goes to the front part of the house. Now I'm gonna take you through the washroom because there's 2 ways in. One way, this is the washroom. So everything feels so small right now with the wood up, but every video that I've watched on YouTube says that that's kind of what happens until your sheetrock goes in and the ceilings go in, then it opens back up. But as you can see, there's plumbing, and we added extra plumbing for a sink. So I think the washer and dryer goes here and the extra plumbing for a sink will be there, or vice versa, I'm not sure. But this is the washroom, and then from the washroom you have 2 options. So there's a door here that takes you into a hallway that comes back to what will be the front of the home. So this kind of opens up, and we'll go to the front of the house in just a second. Or you can go through this other door, which leads you into the primary bedroom closet. So the closet actually feels big now too. So here's our closet. Closet. And then from the closet, we've got the doors, or the framings up for the door that goes into the bedroom or the primary bathroom. So there's your toilet room. There's this big beautiful window already framed out. They work fast. They work real fast. Here's the plumbing for the sinks. Plumbing for the tub. This feels so tight. Oh, it feels tight. Plumbing for the shower. Hey, shower. but it's so tall. Like you can see visually now how high the ceilings will be. This is really cool. Another fabulous door going into the primary bedroom. And here's our primary bedroom. Y'all see those 3 beautiful windows? Hello, how you doing? And then another door leading out to the front of the house. So far, they've got, what's this side of the house? The left side of the house up. So coming out, this is a closet. They haven't put the framing up that kind of frames off the outside of the house. That's the patio. But coming out of the master or the primary, excuse-moi, it's going to lead you into the family room and said dining area. That framing hadn't been put up yet. Let's see, that's the kitchen. Let's go into the entertainment room. So this is the entertainment / media room. And it looks pretty big with the framing up. This room just looks so small. We had so many troubles because we were gonna do projector to go that way. Then we changed our minds because when we saw it, it looked too small. So we decided to do TV prep on that wall and just kind of sit in it. But this feels like it's gonna be a good size room. This is the only room in the house with framing up that feels like it's big. There's the site where the electricity is going to come for the floor plugs we asked for. What else we got? The framing for the pantry is up, which again looks teeny tiny, but the pantry even got 8-foot doors. Come on, pantry, come on. Can't wait to do an organizational video because this look tight. I'm sure to open up once everything comes in, but everything looks so small. What is this? I'm assuming this is gas. This gotta be gas because this is where the stove will be, so that's gotta be gas. This is all the plumbing for where the island will be. This area over here, they've got the plumbing already for where the fridge is gonna go and the ovens. So if that's the gas, then I'm assuming the ovens will be here and the fridge on this side. I don't know. I'm making up stuff, but one could assume. Here's the cutout for that beautiful hutch that Timothy and I thought about. Can't wait to see that go in. Then if we come here, walking forward. Now, what is this? I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. Looks weird. Oh, that's just a piece of paper. I think that, I don't know what that is, child. It might be the paper that goes over the saw. But anywho, in any case, coming in, we've got framing for Tim's office. So here, I'm not sure if this is going to be a closet or if this will be open. We've decided, looks like it'll be open. I don't know. It looks like it might be doors. I don't know, but we've decided that even if this has doors, we'll probably take the doors off and still do a butler's pantry right here. This will be open wall, which I'll tile similar to what you saw in the walkthrough when we walked the model. But then here's Tim's office. You see these big, beautiful windows? It's got these big, beautiful windows. And his office feels pretty big too. Yep, feels like it's a nice space. Truth be told, we're calling this office his right now. We might have to do a coin toss on offices. Depends on where the light shines. But it looks like it'll be pretty. Who knows? I don't know, child. But this right now is Tim's office. It's framed. And then coming back out, up to the front of the house, coming up and through here. This is a hallway. We're not sure what these are going to be right now. Looks like they're going to be storage doors. I'm going to look on the video from the house tour that we did, from the one that was done. This is storage for sure. This is a big storage closet too. This could have been turned into a half bath, but we chose against it. because the bathroom was like right here. So this is the guest bath. You see the plumbing already inside of here. So that's good to go. A little closet that leads into the guest bedroom. What we were gonna do, and we waited too late, and we may still be able to do this afterwards, is I may have them come, and we'll take pictures of this before they close it up for contractors for later, but I may have them come put another door here so that there's a door into the guest bathroom from the guest room and one from the outside. So if there's a guest here, they can just lock that other door and go in from the bedroom. We have it like that at the house that we're currently in. The guest room is framed up. Their closet, the guest closet, is framed up. Their windows aren't all the way complete yet, but look at this big pretty window. They get to see all the beautiful houses. Then coming out, that's it. So that's what we have as far as framing is concerned right now. Everything feels kind of small. We know the house isn't small, it just feels small. With the wood going up, it's super exciting. Like, look at our front door and then the front patio. So all the light, as you can see, is on the front of the house. It rises over there, it sits over there, child. So all the light is at the front, which we talked about in our other video. But if you walk in from the front door, I don't know if you can see this, but our front door, the view, I'm gonna just keep walking straight. Look at what you see. You look straight out, and these will be big pretty windows going across here looking out to the patio, and look at what you see, just all tree. Oh, there's some light, but it's coming in from the side. So once the house is framed up, that light, we really won't get any of that light. We won't be affected by it because the windows are over here and facing the back of the house. So that light will never touch us. Maybe a little bit on the patio if it gets over the roof line, but it doesn't get all the way over there. It sits on that side. So who knows? But for now, that's what we got as far as framing is concerned. Whole lot of wood, y'all. A whole lot of wood. So super excited about the progress so far. We're expecting rain this week, like 4 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I don't know how much they'll be able to get done Monday and Tuesday, and I'm praying to God that He holds the rain for the rest of the week so they can continue doing their work. But I'm really pleased at how fast this has happened. Like, it's incredible how fast stuff moves, when at one point they weren't doing anything, and then at another point stuff just took off. So we're excited about the progress. We can't wait to drive by in another week or so to see what's going on. But yeah, that is the progress on the Timothy Whitaker, or the Whitaker treehouse. And we will be back soon with another update video. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. And like I said before, if you are interested in learning more about me and my crazy family of 6, we have a good time over on the Instagram, so check us out there. But until then, see you in the next update. Bye for now.